Welcome to the Hey Gen podcast. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances, specifically the GE JNM3184 RPSS over-the-range microwave. Let's get cooking.
Oh, I've heard some buzz about that model. What's so special about it?
Well, it's a 1.8 cubic foot microwave with 900 watts of power, which means it's got enough space and oomph to handle pretty much anything you throw at it.
That's impressive. So it's big enough for large dishes?
Exactly. You can fit full-size dinner plates, soup bowls, and even those
nice.
oversized microwave-safe containers without a hitch.
But does it have the features to match that size?
Absolutely. It comes with convenience cooking buttons, like presets for popcorn and beverages, and my personal favorite, the Add 30 Seconds button.
Oh man, that button is a lifesaver when you're in a hurry.
Totally agree. And the 12.8-inch turntable ensures everything heats evenly. No more cold spots in your leftovers.
Right.
You know how annoying that can be.
Definitely. Now what about the ventilation? Since it's over the range, that's pretty important.
Glad you asked. It has a recirculating venting system with a 2-speed 300 CFM fan. It keeps cooking odors, steam, and smoke under control.
That's crucial. But I've heard some folks have issues with the venting performance. What's up with that?
Yeah, some customers mentioned that when adjusting the fan to vent out the top, the airflow reduces noticeably. It's something to consider if your setup requires top venting.
So maybe it's better suited for back venting?
Exactly, or at least be prepared for some trade-offs. But overall, the ventilation does its job for most standard installations. It's not a deal breaker for everyone.
Got it. How about the design? Does it blend well with modern kitchens?
Oh, it's got that sleek stainless steel finish that's fingerprint resistant, so it stays looking clean even with heavy use.
That's a relief for someone like me who's always smudging appliances.
Ha ha ha. Same here. And the dimensions are 15.12 inches deep, 29.87 inches wide, and 16.43 inches high.
Okay.
So it fits in most over-the-range spaces.
Wait, didn't some customers mention issues with the height?
You're right. A few people noted that it doesn't completely fill the space left by older units, so there might be a slight gap at the top.
That could be an eyesore for some.
Possibly, but there are ways to work around it, like adding trim or adjusting the cabinetry.
True.
Just something to be aware of before purchasing.
Makes sense. How's the price point compared to similar models?
It's listed at $541.91 on Amazon, which positions it in the mid-range. Not the cheapest, but you're getting solid GE quality and features.
And are there any protection plans available?
Yes. You can opt for a 3-year plan at $64.99 or a 4-year plan at $84.99 through Asurion. They cover accidental damage and malfunctions after the manufacturer's warranty ends.
That's reassuring. I've had appliances conk out right after the warranty expires.
It's like they know. But with the protection plan, repairs, replacements, and even shipping are included at no extra cost.
Sounds like a good investment. What are customers saying about the microwave overall?
Overall, it has a 4.3 out of 5 stars from 57 ratings.
Not bad.
Many praise its ease of use, spacious interior, and effective cooking.
Any common complaints besides the venting issue?
A few mentioned that it's a bit noisy during operation, and there were isolated cases of units arriving dented despite undamaged packaging.
That's unfortunate. Is there a timer function?
Interestingly, one reviewer noted it lacks a separate timer function, so you might miss that if you're used to it.
I use my microwave timer all the time while cooking.
Same here, so that's something to keep in mind. But for many, the convenience features like the preset buttons make up for it. It's a trade-off.
Absolutely. Does it come with any smart features or connectivity?
Not really. It's more of a traditional microwave without smart home integration. But sometimes simple is better, less to go wrong.
Good point. So who would you say this microwave is ideal for?
I'd say families who need a reliable, spacious microwave with straightforward features. If you're not too concerned about advanced tech but want solid performance, it's a great pick.
That makes sense. Any final thoughts?
Just that it's worth considering the installation specifics before buying, and maybe reading through the reviews to see if it matches your needs.
Sounds like solid advice. Thanks for breaking it down.
Anytime. Now I'm feeling hungry talking about all this cooking. Time to put a microwave to use.
You read my mind. Let's go find some leftovers to reheat.